What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are having an awesome day today. So check this out. Today I really don't have much going on. I'm really just waiting on the valve to come in the mail so I can just start this, and the lapping tool. I'm really just waiting on the lapping tool, the valve, and the compound stuff that I need to start with the head. So I really don't have much that I'm doing today, but I did have some extra parts laying around, like this Mishimoto fan, and this was a temperature gauge one, and I found my steering wheel too. I was looking everywhere for this thing. I couldn't find it. I found it, and I wanted to put on this other Mishimoto. And this other Mishimoto fan that I got, and I also got the Mishimoto temperature sensor housing. So I did want to go ahead and stick all of this pretty much on the radiator. Boy, that kind of looked good just now. Did you guys see that? The white on the blue? Aria took the number 2 inside of my fan. But I will have one Mishimoto fan, and then we'll have both Mishimoto fans. Oh, that's gonna look awesome. Oh, this is gonna look too big. Oh, man, I got too big of a fan.
Don't fight it, just go with it. Hang 10, curve light. Them doors start opening. Don't tell yourself you can't do it. Don't expect nobody else to do it for you. Put your chest out, cause you're doing for you. When you pull up to the party now, everybody wanna gather round. And you know how they talk about you. Control what you're putting out. Stay with us pushing now. Everybody know you're pushing out.
So both of these are actually new. Never even seen in the road before. So I don't know if I might take these and put those on the Mark III. They're brand new. I've never even used them before. I bought them in intentions to put them on here, but I always wanted Mishimoto product, so I just went with what I really wanted. So maybe I'll take those, put them on there. Maybe I'll get more Mishimoto fans. I don't know. Those are brand new though. So it actually kind of does fit. I think this is 14 inches. Maybe I should have got 12 inches. 12 inches probably fit that super perfect. I think that was a 10 inch, if I believe. So it does fit. It lines up right there. I just gotta put the tab in there, and then put that tab in down there, and yeah, she'll be in. Well, let me go ahead and do that. I can hold it in. So yeah, she does fit inside of there with just a little fabrication. Yeah, both of the Mishimoto fans do fit. They do make these in multiple different sizes. When I went in this, I didn't know the size of the fans. So yeah, I believe I bought a 14, and I felt like a 12 would fit that perfect, and I think that's a 10, or like, I don't know the sizes, but either a 10 and a 12 or 14 and a 12, one of the ways. So I do have this neck right here. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this neck and move this neck to about right here, and then have this much of space, and then I'm gonna put in the temp sensor right here. I think that's what I'm gonna do. Oh yeah. And that's how you cut through a hose. So yeah, and that will fit just like that with the hose clamp on top of it. And then we'll just take this plastic piece and put it back on there like that. And then what we'll do is we'll take the Mishimoto temp sensor housing, and then we will put it right inside of there. Right inside of there, just like that. Guys, I never thought I would have Mishimoto parts. That's crazy. You know, I love Mishimoto, and that's cool to have these parts. I can't wait till I get the Mishimoto radiator. The Mishimoto radiator will complete this. Then I will be happy with the coolant. Then the coolant system to me will be done, and then, well, it won't be done, but the radiator part of it, like the fans and the radiator, and then I'm gonna try and find the Mishimoto radiator hoses. I saw them, but they technically don't make them for the Volkswagen, so you have to find like another car that's similar and kind of match it up. I don't even think they make it for the BMW. Maybe I'll look and see, but yeah. Okay, the only thing that I don't like about this is all of these clamps. I hate all the clamps. I gotta figure out some type of way to not have these clamps, but I hate the clamps. But other than that, I love the setup. Now we just need to put the temp sensor in, and that comes with the gauge. And there's the gauge, and the temp sensor should be right there. And there is the temp sensor itself. So this fancy dancy. Now I need some Loctite. Now I definitely need some Loctite or some Teflon tape to put on there. But yeah, there we go. And then just run the wires from here. I'm pretty sure that is the part number right there. But what do you guys think? Got the Dukeland radiator neck with the Mishimoto cap, the Mishimoto temp sensor, and the Mishimoto fans. Both of them are pretty much wired in and ready to go. Now we just need some better radiator hoses. Like I said, I think I'm just gonna buy the Mishimoto ones, and just because I ended up cutting this one. This one's an OBX one, and I just ended up cutting it to fit what I wanted. So I think that's what I'm gonna do there. Also got new HIDs, well, LEDs for these. These are brand new too. Didn't even get a chance to turn these on. Well, I did turn them on a couple times. I think you guys saw that once or twice. These suckers are bright, but I don't even know if they still work, and I got a whole new set of those. I don't know, let me look inside the car and see if there's anything else I got. I think I want to clean this car. I've been neglecting it. I've just been storing parts in it, so I think I'm gonna go through and I'm about to clean it, because I've just been neglecting it. All these tools down here on the floor, I got everything in here. I'm gonna just clean this. And just like that, we are all clean now. Floors are clean. Now look at this seat, bro. I just got that seat and I don't know what happened to it. I think I'm just about to invest in some racing seats. Oh yeah. My steering wheel. Oh yeah. Yeah. I don't know if this came out of my car or not, but I hope it didn't, because then I gotta go back on and put the oil pan on. But I don't think it came from my car. If it woulda, I woulda recognized it. I think it came from off one of the old 1.8s in the back there. I hope that didn't come off of mine, because I'd hate to pull that oil pan again. I still don't know what I want to do about the gauges. I have a triple pod, but I really don't want to put this right here. I hate that look. I don't want that right there. I want to cut the face of it off right? I want to cut just that all 3 holes off and see if I can put it right here where these 2 are and just have a triple one, like that. I don't know, I just don't want to run it up there. Then I gotta put the stars back in the roof again because I tore it down to paint the headliner. So I gotta put the stars back in the roof. I don't know, I think I'm gonna invest in some racing seats for this because I'm done with searching for these black seats. They're so hard to find, and every time I find one it's messed up or on the verge of being messed up, and then it just gets messed up. So I think that's what I'm going to do there. I started trying to put the front bump, the radiators. Started trying to put the radiator support back on, and ran into a small problem because I got the oil cool downer at the bottom. I didn't measure for that, so I got to go in and I got to cut. I have to cut some of this pretty much off. I have to go in and I have to cut pretty much some of this off right here. That way it will fit. Now I should be good enough to put the radiator support on. So I did go ahead and get that front radiator support on it. The eyes are back in it. So now I'm just really waiting on that valve to come in. I cleaned it again. I know I stay cleaning this car, man. I clean it so much, but that's because I want to drive it. And it finally has came in. Awesome, and it's the big one this time. See, I knew what I was talking about. Mr. Guys over at Eurotuning want to tell me I got this, son. I might not be a fucking 10-time motor builder with all the fucking crazy stuff, but I know what I'm doing a little bit. Thank you. Alright, so let's see if it does fit right quick. Which one of these suckers is it? Oh, this one right here. And let's just put it in there. Oh, perfect seal. That's what I'm talking about. Now, y'all know if I was not listening to y'all, I would go ahead and throw those valve keepers, springs, and everything back in there and compress and test this right now. But I'm listening to y'all. I'm taking y'all advice. I'm waiting on the shipment to come in from Amazon to get the little lapper thing to lap this, and the little compound stuff. So I'm trying to take y'all advice here on this, but your boy is ready to get this going. Again, look at that one. I did that one. Oh, it's so impressive when you do something yourself, something like that that's so difficult. Oh, but I guess I'll have to wait for Amazon to drop off the package. Other than that, I guess that's where we would end this video at for today. I did get both of the Mishimoto fans installed, and the temp sensor and the housing is installed. So yeah, you know, I was looking at that Diesel Geek, and let me tell y'all something. VW and y'all companies, y'all make good parts. I get it. But can we be reasonable on the prices? Gosh.